Why you shouldn't buy furnace parts online. When it comes to repairing your furnace, the convenience of online shopping might seem appealing. However, this comes with its own set of risks that could end up costing you more in the long run. Here is why you shouldn't buy furnace parts online. Online platforms may lack the personalized service needed to ensure the compatibility of the purchased part with your specific furnace model. The inability to physically inspect the parts before purchase raises concerns about their quality and authenticity. Many online purchases lack warranty options, leaving you vulnerable to additional expenses in the event of faulty parts. For residents in New Caney, Texas, Guy's Air Conditioning and Heating stands as a reliable partner in ensuring the optimal performance of your furnace. Contact us today at 281-306-9875 for expert guidance, quality parts, and dependable service.